this video, we will show you how to use collaboration on Rolljak to exchange ideas and add to another participant's response. In the live session on the Activity Builder, turn on the collaboration phase. You can add up to 6 collaborations per participant to swap responses with a random participant. Then, specify the response time for each round. Now, we will demonstrate on how to use collaboration with free activities on Rolljak. First, collaboration can be a valuable tool in open-ended question activities as it allows participants to share diverse perspectives, build on each other's ideas, and generate more creative and comprehensive responses. Second, collaboration can be an effective strategy in a sketch-it-out activity as it encourages participants to work together to create a visual representation of a concept, leading to deeper understanding and more meaningful engagement. Third, collaboration can be a powerful approach to the sketch-it-out activity, particularly when incorporating a background image. It allows participants to share ideas, build on each other's contributions, and create a more comprehensive and visually compelling representation of the concept at hand. Get rolling with Rolljak!